Hi guys, so good morning to you because there's a nice weather today. It's clear sky, blue sky. So the wind is windy at the garage beside the door, beside the beside the house. So this is our vlog for today. So if there's no available glass for this Ford Windstar. Okay. This is a 1994 model van. It's a dark green. So if there's a track mark in parts by parts, it's like if you buy only a parts, you can ask anything, any parts of the vehicle. So for now, is there's no available and expensive if there's a have a available of this part of glass because it is only accidentally to how to fix this temporary. There's no available glass for this. My van 1994 model since I buy this 2015. Okay, for end of 2016, before 2015. I'm sorry. Okay, so it's only a toy for me. If you want to go to grocery or go to school or go to work or go to somewhere around the downtown, okay, in Canada, Saskatchewan. If there's no available like this, if you want, if all you to do is a temporary put a black plastic bag, garbage bag. So I put a tape, okay, I put a tape. So there's a ripping area here, okay. So before getting worse, I'm gonna put another tape for that. Okay. So sweet. Okay. Just put a tape. There's no available. No available glass for that side side window. But the expensive I asked before is cost of 200 plus plus labor, almost more than 500. So it's an old model, it's fine. There's available in BC is to replace this. But for now, I cannot use this. Instead, stop the money for important reason. You need to put a tip. Okay? Okay? Just like that. To make tight only. That's it. Just as simple as like that, guys. So that's it for now. Okay. So we can fit tight because of the rain. Okay. So this is the most important. Save your money. Okay, even there's available, no available, you can put temporary as long we've covered that area side of my van. Okay, okay, see you guys, and hopefully you like it, and subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming video this weekend. Okay, see you guys.